10 foods that can support your kidney health. Did you know that your kidneys work tirelessly around the clock to keep your body clean and balanced? These two small, bean-shaped organs are true unsung heroes, diligently filtering toxins, regulating blood pressure, and maintaining essential balances within your body. But are you providing them with the care they deserve? In today's video, we'll explore 10 amazing foods that can support your kidney health and ensure these vital organs function optimally. Stay tuned, as these simple dietary choices could significantly impact your overall well-being. 1. Red bell peppers. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body. It also protects kidney cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining the health of mucous membranes throughout the body, including kidney tissue. It helps regulate the immune system, reducing the risk of infections and inflammation in the kidneys. Beta-carotene, an antioxidant that converts to vitamin A in the body, helps protect kidney cells from aging and damage. Red bell peppers offer several benefits for kidney health. Their antioxidants help reduce inflammation, a major risk factor for chronic kidney disease. Vitamin C and beta-carotene in red bell peppers support healthy blood vessels in the kidneys, promoting better blood flow and efficient filtration. Additionally, these antioxidants combat oxidative stress, a primary cause of kidney cell damage and impaired function. Enjoy your vegetables raw. Add them to salads to preserve their vitamins and antioxidants. Lightly cook them. Steam or stir-fry quickly to avoid losing nutrients due to high temperatures. Combine with healthy fats. Use olive oil to enhance the absorption of vitamin A and fat-soluble antioxidants. 2. Garlic allicin, the primary bioactive compound in garlic, is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties. Sulfur compounds contribute to detoxification, reduce inflammation, and protect organs, particularly the kidneys. Vitamin C and vitamin B6 support the immune system and contribute to healthy metabolism. Garlic is a natural powerhouse for kidney health. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, a key factor in declining kidney function. Allicin, a compound found in garlic, can curb chronic inflammation, preventing long-term kidney damage. Garlic also improves blood circulation. Allicin and sulfur compounds dilate blood vessels, increasing blood flow to the kidneys. This helps them filter blood and remove waste more efficiently. Garlic's antibacterial and antifungal properties reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs, and other kidney-related infections. This is crucial, as untreated infections can lead to severe kidney damage. Finally, garlic combats oxidative stress. Oxidative stress damages kidney cells, but garlic's antioxidants protect the kidneys from this damage, improving function and long-term health. It's important to use garlic in moderation. Consuming excessive amounts of garlic can lead to stomach irritation or increase the risk of bleeding in individuals taking blood thinners. Consider limiting the use of garlic supplements and opting for natural garlic instead to avoid potential side effects. 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, including anthocyanins, flavonoids, and vitamin C. These compounds help reduce cell damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to inflammation and impaired kidney function. Blueberries are also low in potassium, which is important for people with chronic kidney disease, CKD, as they need to limit their potassium intake to avoid complications like hyperkalemia. Additionally, blueberries are a good source of vitamin C and K. Vitamin C helps boost the immune system and reduce inflammation, while vitamin K supports blood circulation and heart health. Lastly, the fiber in blueberries helps control blood sugar levels and maintain a healthy weight, both of which are crucial for protecting your kidneys. Blueberries offer several benefits for kidney health. Their antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, a major cause of kidney cell damage. Chronic inflammation is a significant risk factor for declining kidney function, and blueberries can help reduce inflammation, thereby improving the kidney's blood filtering capabilities. Additionally, blueberries promote blood circulation through their flavonoid content, enhancing the kidney's efficiency in removing toxins and waste from the body. 4. Cranberries. Cranberries are rich in proanthocyanidins, which are special compounds that help prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract lining, thus reducing the risk of infection. They are also packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids, vitamin C, and phenolic compounds, which have strong antioxidant properties and help protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals. Cranberries are low in potassium, making them suitable for people with chronic kidney disease who need to limit their potassium intake. Vitamin C in cranberries strengthens the immune system and helps reduce inflammation. The fiber content in cranberries helps control blood sugar levels and maintain a healthy weight, both of which directly impact kidney health. Cranberries offer a range of health benefits, particularly for urinary and kidney health. Proanthocyanidins found in cranberries help prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, by inhibiting bacteria like E. coli from adhering to the urinary tract walls, thus reducing the risk of infection. Untreated UTIs can spread to the kidneys and cause serious damage. The antioxidants in cranberries help reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from oxidative stress, a major contributor to kidney dysfunction. Additionally, the phenolic compounds in cranberries improve blood vessel health, support blood circulation, and help control blood pressure, thereby reducing strain on the kidneys. 5. Olive oil polyphenols are powerful antioxidants that help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. They also reduce inflammation and maintain vascular health, which is particularly important for kidney function. Oleic acid is a monounsaturated fat that helps reduce inflammation and supports cholesterol management. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that protects organs, including the kidneys, from oxidative damage. Olive oil is sodium, potassium, and phosphorus-free, meaning it does not contain minerals that can be harmful to those with chronic kidney disease, thus reducing the burden on the kidneys. Olive oil contains antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the body, including inflammation in the kidneys, a major cause of kidney function decline. The oleic acid and polyphenols in olive oil can protect the kidneys from damage caused by oxidative stress, a key factor in kidney function decline. Olive oil supports vascular health, increasing blood flow to the kidneys, improving blood filtration efficiency, and removing toxins. Oleic acid can lower blood pressure, which is crucial for maintaining healthy kidney function, as high blood pressure can cause long-term damage to the kidneys. 6. Fatty fish omega-3 fatty acids are polyunsaturated fats that have powerful inflammatory properties and can protect heart health. They can reduce inflammation in organs, including the kidneys. High-quality protein provides the body with essential energy without increasing the burden on kidney filtration. Vitamin D supports calcium absorption, preventing common bone problems in people with kidney disease. Selenium is a natural antioxidant that protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. The low sodium content of fatty fish makes it suitable for those who need to control their sodium intake to protect their kidney health. Omega-3 fatty acids possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, particularly beneficial for individuals with chronic kidney disease or related inflammatory conditions. They can also lower inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein, CRP, in the body. Additionally, omega-3s promote cardiovascular health, enhancing blood flow and improving the kidney's filtration efficiency. High blood pressure is a significant risk factor for kidney damage, and omega-3 fatty acids can help lower blood pressure, protecting the kidneys from harm. The high-quality protein found in fatty fish provides essential building blocks for the regeneration and repair of damaged kidney cells. 7. Whole grains. Whole grains are rich in fiber, which helps maintain a healthy weight, manage blood sugar levels, and improve digestive health. They also contain B vitamins, which support energy metabolism and cell health. Minerals such as magnesium, iron, and zinc are present, supporting bodily functions. However, whole grains generally have lower levels of potassium and phosphorus compared to processed grain sources. Complex carbohydrates provide sustained energy without causing sudden blood sugar spikes. Their low glycemic index, GI, helps control blood sugar levels, which is particularly important for individuals with diabetes or chronic kidney disease. Whole grains offer numerous benefits for kidney health. Their fiber and antioxidants help reduce overall inflammation, including inflammation in the kidneys. A diet rich in fiber and low in sodium from whole grains helps regulate blood pressure, which is crucial for protecting kidney function. The antioxidants and minerals in whole grains improve blood vessel health and the kidney's ability to filter blood. Their low glycemic index helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of kidney damage caused by diabetes. 8. Apple's dietary fiber, pectin. This soluble fiber helps regulate cholesterol levels, blood sugar, and maintain a healthy weight. Flavonoids and phenolic acids. These antioxidants protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C. This vitamin strengthens the immune system and reduces inflammation. Low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus. Apples contain very little of these minerals, which helps reduce the strain on the kidneys, making them particularly suitable for people with chronic kidney disease. Apples are packed with antioxidants, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, which help protect your kidney cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. Apples also have a mild diuretic effect, which helps flush out toxins and reduce the risk of fluid retention, edema, a common problem for people with kidney disease. Pectin, a soluble fiber found in apples, helps stabilize blood sugar levels and lower cholesterol, reducing the risk of high blood pressure and diabetes, 2 leading causes of kidney failure. 9. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutritious vegetable that offers several benefits for kidney health. It is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals and reduces inflammation. Broccoli's fiber content aids digestion, helps control blood sugar levels, and promotes a healthy weight, all of which can reduce stress on the kidneys. Additionally, broccoli is low in potassium and phosphorus, making it suitable for individuals with chronic kidney disease who need to limit their intake of these minerals. Sulforaphane, a naturally occurring anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound found in broccoli, protects cells from damage and supports detoxification. Finally, vitamin K in broccoli contributes to healthy blood vessels and normal blood clotting. Cauliflower is a nutritious vegetable that offers several benefits for kidney health. Its sulforaphane and vitamin C content helps reduce inflammation in the kidneys, supporting improved blood filtration and protecting cells from chronic damage. The antioxidants in cauliflower safeguard kidney cells from oxidative stress, a major contributor to declining kidney function. Its complex carbohydrates and fiber help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of diabetes-related kidney damage. As a water-rich food, cauliflower promotes hydration and helps prevent the formation of kidney stones. 10. Cabbage is a nutritious vegetable packed with antioxidants, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals that can benefit your overall health, especially if you have chronic kidney disease. Antioxidants, vitamin C and sulforaphane. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals. Sulforaphane, a plant compound, has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Fiber. Fiber supports digestion, helps lower cholesterol levels, and contributes to blood sugar control. Low potassium and phosphorus content. Cabbage is low in potassium and phosphorus, making it a suitable choice for individuals with chronic kidney disease who need to limit their intake of these minerals. Vitamin K. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in supporting blood vessel health and blood clotting. Plant compounds, camphorol and glucosinolates. Camphorol has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce the risk of kidney cell damage. Cabbage is a powerhouse of nutrients that can benefit your kidney health. Sulforaphane and camphorol, found in cabbage, help reduce chronic inflammation, a major contributor to kidney dysfunction. The antioxidants in cabbage protect your kidneys from oxidative stress, which can damage cells and impair kidney function. Cabbage also contains natural compounds that improve blood vessel health and regulate blood pressure, reducing the strain on your kidneys. Furthermore, the vitamins and fiber in cabbage support your kidneys' natural filtration process. Your kidneys play a vital role in maintaining your overall health, and taking care of them is simpler than you might think. By incorporating these 10 beneficial foods into your diet and making minor lifestyle adjustments, you can safeguard and even enhance your kidney function. Which of these foods will you begin incorporating into your meals? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated on more tips for a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.